Tim Moore here with TLC Floor Care and Pressure Washing. I'm in the back of this particular restaurant. They're closed on Sunday and Monday, so Sundays are always a good time to get this done. We did the entire floor this time. We did their dining room, their main kitchen, their back kitchen, their takeout area. All this was done today. We just do the concrete, but we're using our truck mount because it's a spinner. It has a reclaim, essentially. It goes out so we don't have a lot of water just around. All the water's captured. But essentially I'm using the same thing I would use for the outside of a restaurant. I'm using a sodium hydroxide mix, which eats through the grease. And I followed that up with a butyl-based cleaner and a sodium mesocate-based degreaser. So I got 2 or 3 degreasers and a little bit of Dawn. It's amazing. The blue Dawn works wonders. Put that in my 5-gallon thing, boom, helps eat that grease. Now this is so bad because this doesn't get done monthly. This gets done once a quarter, sometimes 4 months. Which is a quarter. Sometimes they go 3 months. They've been going 3 months. Typically about once a quarter. Maybe one extra one during the year. Just depends on how busy he is. But he's been very busy. Which means even when we do like this floor, this is the main kitchen, so it gets really bad. So even with that strong of a mix and me being able to create the mix, I use all these chemicals in the raw form and I mix them. And you know, I'll still have to come back and we'll take the top layer off and I'll come back, spray it again, let it sit, you know, 5 or 6 minutes. Then I'll take a wire metal brush that's on a pole and I'll scrub it, and then usually go through it with nice boiling ass hot water and it just eats that grease up. But that's what we're doing today. We'll be back in 3 or 4 months to do it again, but they had the whole thing done today because it's been a while since we've done all of it. Usually we just doing the main kitchen and the dining area, but this time they want everything done. They're that busy. So anyway, Tim Moore with TLC Floor Care and Pressure Washing, getting her done. Have a good weekend.